Your kids ages 5 to 8 are going to love this easy coding activity. I'm going to teach you how to add sounds to your coding projects in ScratchJr. Let's start by opening up the ScratchJr app, then starting a new project. We will add a green flag block to our character. Next, we'll click on the green block category with the little speaker icon to record our sounds. We need to click on the little microphone button. When we tap the button to record, a pop-up appears. To start recording, click the circle with the little red dot. Speak or make your sound. Then click the square button to stop recording it. If you want to hear it, click the triangle button.
Meow.
If you like it, click the blue circle with a check to save the recording. A block with a microphone and a number will appear. That is your recording. Drag this block to the code area, then attach it to the green flag block. Let's run it to see it in action.
Meow.
If you want to learn to code and make games and projects in ScratchJr, visit nextlesson.com/ScratchJr.